Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to change your birthday on Facebook. Whether you've entered the wrong date or simply want to update it, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is the menu button, and tapping on it will open up a list of options. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy and tap on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, you'll be in the Settings section. Look for Account Center and tap on it. Here, you'll find various options related to your account. Scroll down until you see Personal Details and tap on that. This section contains information about your profile, including your date of birth. Tap on Date of Birth and then select the Edit option. If you're unable to edit your birthday directly, you might see a prompt asking you to send a request to change it. Tap on Contact Us to proceed with this request. In the request form, enter your correct date of birth and provide any additional details required. You may need to upload a valid ID to verify your age. Once you've filled out the form, press Send. Facebook will review your request, and if everything is in order, they'll update your birthday. It's important to note that Facebook limits how many times you can change your birthday. If you've recently changed it, you might need to wait before making another change. Additionally, if your Facebook and Instagram accounts are linked, updating your birthday on Facebook will also change it on Instagram. By following these steps, you should be able to update your birthday on Facebook. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.